What if you could make compressed air data easily integrated into your dashboarding systems? It's getting more and more common for companies to want to know more about how their machines operate, with particular reference to flows, pressures and temperatures. We already have a couple of online videos which show how our air management system can help you to automatically reduce your energy consumption. But how could it help you regarding data integration? The air management system provides flow, pressure and temperature signals on fieldbus protocols, making it easy to integrate into machine control. But this isn't necessarily easy to integrate into customers' dashboarding systems. There are three main problems involved in doing this. Firstly, the machines in question might not have the correct sensors fitted to them in order to get the raw data in the first place. Secondly, most dashboarding systems don't take machine protocols like Ethernet IP or Profinet directly in. They need to be converted to a data language. The most common data language you come across in the UK is OPC UA. And lastly, the effort involved in getting the data into the dashboarding system could be so great that it never actually happens at all. Our air management system overcomes these issues by having the data language OPC UA built directly in as standard, meaning data tags can be incorporated into customers' dashboarding systems. This simple integration means that OEMs utilising the air management system functionality can get their machine data directly into customers' dashboarding systems, while at the same time automatically helping them to achieve their sustainability goals. For the end user, it enables them to keep track of key performance data and monitor the general overall performance of the machine. By monitoring air usage, it enables them to simply get a return on investment figure, which can be really useful when raising funding for future investments in this type of hardware. So, if you're looking for an easy way to make compressed air savings and also to integrate data into your dashboard systems, please contact me directly. Follow us on LinkedIn to keep up to date with all our latest product developments.